Hello everyone, welcome to our English Express channel. In this video, let's get started with nouns. These are just a few examples of the different types of nouns in English. Nouns are essential for providing names, identifying objects, and conveying meaning in sentences. They are foundational in constructing sentences and expressing ideas effectively. Next, noun types. A noun is a part of speech that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns serve as the subject or object of a sentence, and they can also function as the complement or the modifier of other words. Here are some explanations and examples of nouns. First one is common nouns. Common nouns are general names for people, places, things, or ideas that are not specific. They are typically written in lowercase unless they begin a sentence. For example, dog, city, book. Here, dog, city, book, these are all not specific things. Second one is proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, organizations, or titles. They are capitalized. For example, John Paris Coca-Cola. Here, John Paris Coca-Cola is the specific names of people, places, organizations, or titles. Third one is concrete nouns. Concrete nouns refer to tangible physical objects that can be perceived by the senses. For example, tree, car, music. Yes, we can sense the music. Fourth one is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns represents ideas, concepts, or qualities that cannot be perceived physically. Examples: love, happiness, courage. Next, collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a group of people, animals, or things considered as a single entity. For example, team, flock, family. Sixth one is compound nouns. The word compound is something that consists of two or more things or substances combined together. Compound nouns are formed by combining two or more words together. For example, basketball, sunflower, bedroom. So, two words are combined here. Seventh one is possessive nouns. Possessive nouns show ownership or possession. They are formed by adding an apostrophe and s to the noun. For example, John's book, The Cat's Tale. So the ownership of book is John. Next, countable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted and have both singular and plural forms. Example, cat, cats, chair, chairs, animal, animals, pen, pens. So whatever the singular or plural forms, we can count that. So it is called countable nouns. Next one is uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted and are considered as a whole or mass. Example, water, happiness, information. Yes, happiness we can't count, but we can understand how much happiness we have. The last one is gerunds. Gerunds are nouns formed by adding ing to a verb. They represent an action or activity. For example, swimming, reading, writing, dancing, eating. These are all examples of gerunds. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.